Hello and welcome to one of our product review videos, and today we're looking at the metallic elegant finish range made by RUST-OLEUM, and it's the gold one. So if you think about buying it, this is the type of paint they offer. So we've got some gates here. They're old gates, but we decided to smarten the tips up with some of this stuff.
Now if you look at these, let's do this one, this spear here, it's had one coat. When it first put it on, it looks more like copper. As you see, when it dries, it's a lovely gold colour. I can't remember how much this was. It's not the cheapest in the world, but it is good and it really brightens things up. It's ideal for crafts, metalwork, etc, etc. Anyway, so if you're looking to perhaps repaint your spears or your balls on your gate, like we've got over there,
Little ones over there.
Just add it a bit of touch, smarten it up. Perhaps RUST-OLEUM metallic paints might be for you. Gold, silver, whatever you want.
They do it in a range. If we look at it from a distance, that's it from a distance. So
it's quite nice.
It looks quite nice. And then the gold one, it's got little balls on it. That's what those look like. They need a repaint, but you get the picture.
You need 2 or 3 coats. I mean, I'm going over black on this. We're restoring these are second-hand gates we bought. I just used a little brush like that. Don't be too fussy about it. You can just go over it. Don't need a lot, but this will probably last you a lifetime unless you're actually painting gates for a living. I've had this about 3 years, this, so it keeps well, it doesn't go off, just seal the lid back up, it's fine. Anyway, this has helped you choose how you want to give your gates a bit of sparkle, especially for Christmas.
It is very festive, actually.
Yeah, it is. It helps you along a little bit. Why not help us along a little bit and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.